In this video clip, we will be setting the tool height for our 3/8 inch end mill for our coasters and quilt rack project. We're going to reset 2 times, power up restart 1 time to have the machine find its 0. We're going to hand jog at 1/10 of an inch. And we're going to use our X and Y axis to move our tool over on top of our workpiece. I'll jump over to X. And because we have an 1/8 inch tool in and we want to change it to the 3/8 inch tool, I'm going to move the Z axis up so it gives me a little more height on my tool. I'm going to switch my tool out. Then I'm going to go back to my Z axis. I'm going to go a little bit slower, so I'm going to change it to 1/100th. And I'm going to slowly bring that down. Now the objective is to have the tip of the tool touch the surface of the wood, and we are assuming that the wood is, in this case, 7/8 of an inch thick. The other thing I'm going to do is slide my clamp on top of it to hold that down tight to simulate a kid putting a board in. So I'm going to bring this down until the tip of it is just touching the very surface, and you can rotate this as you're going to help place that. Okay, so we're sitting at the very top of the lumber. So we're going to come up here to our tool offset. This particular tool for the coaster project and the quilt rack project is tool 24. So I'm going to cursor down until I get to tool number 24. So the machine knows that any program written that has a tool 24 identified is a 3/8 inch bit. I need to set how far the tool is actually off of the board. So I'm going to come down here and do tool offset measure. And that will set whatever parameter the machine thinks it is sitting at. So where the machine is right now, the machine knows that it's touching the top of the lumber. After that, we can reset 2 times, power up restart 1 time, and set the machine back to